Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten curriculum. My name is Dennis Wong and let's get started with lesson number 4. So we've learned about the notes C, D and E during our last lesson, and today we will add the notes F and G. The last lesson had a practice printable, and those practice printables were the composing cards here. So the first thing we could do, we could take out our letter cards from our musical alphabet lesson and kind of sort and match these. The cards, the composing cards, are color coded too. So the first thing we could do, let's take out A and B and let's focus on the notes that we have learned so far, plus F and G. We have C, D, E, F, G. F and G are going to be new, so we can match these. This is C, so this would go here. This is D. And then we have E, F, and G. We can also use these cards and compose with them. So we could also put these away after sorting and matching them and use these cards to compose short little tunes. There we go. And now we have C, D, E, F, G here. Let's play this on the piano. So the group of 2 in the middle, that was Doghouse D, one before that is C. And again, we're focusing on the middle set of C, D, E here. So if we would try to compose with our cards, this is C, D, E, F, G here. C, D, E, F, G. And those are our new notes. So as I've said, the first thing I would do, I would sort and match the musical alphabet cards and the composing cards from the previous lesson. Those were practice printables. And once we're done with that, we can come to the get to the most fun part of this lesson, and that is the kindergarten cup game. So for the cup game, I have 4 paper cups here, and I've labeled them with the letters C, D, E, and F. And the goal is to put the right cup on top of the right note here. So the first one here is C, that means the C cup would have to go here. And then D, this one down here is E. And one of the new notes is F. So the F cup would have to go here. There we go. So this is of course an off-bench activity. This is just easier for me to demonstrate it to you. Once we're done playing with the cup game, and I highly recommend laminating the cup games because we will add more cup game boards as we go. So our cup game is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger with more and more notes. Once we're done with the cup game, we can take a look at the next new sheet music printable that comes with lesson number 4. And the first thing we could do, we could take out some pencils or crayons and color the notes of the same kind, the same color. So we could color all C's in one color, all D's, E's, and so forth. Or we could just focus on the new notes that we've learned. We have F new, and then there's another F right here, and a lower down here is another F. And we have G. G is also new. G is going around the second line. And compared to the C, we can see how high G is here. So it's much higher. It's on the second, it's going around the second line here. So one G is here. There's another one here and one down here. So we could also additionally label our keys or look for the keys first with the labeled popsicle sticks or the labeled gems. Let's see. C is here, D is here, and E is here. And then F is one of the new ones, and G. So this is optional. You don't have to label the keys. And when I say label the keys, I want to point out that I do not recommend putting any stickers on the keys. You can always use popsicle sticks or gems, but stuff that we can remove easily, but no stickers, please. Okay, let's get started. So once you've colored the F's and G's on this paper, we can try to play this on the piano. It starts with the C here, then it moves up to D, then it moves one more up to E, and now to the new note F, and even one more up to G. Very good. The next one says stepping down, and the first note here is G again, the note that goes around the second line here. So this part here, or this piece, starts from G. G up here, and then it moves down to F, and then the note that goes around the first line here, E, our doghouse D, and C. And the last one says E is the first note here. So this actually starts from E, not from C. It starts from E. E is the note that goes around the first line. So let's look for E, C, D, E, E. Then it moves up to F. It moves one more up to G. And then all the way down to the C's. Very good. So, as I've said, I recommend starting with the musical alphabet cards and the composing cards, just to compose short little tunes with the letters C to G. Or you could just add F first and then G during another practice session. Then I would definitely play the cup game. And I would repeat playing the cup game during practice sessions before you move into lesson 5. And then we have our sheet music here that we can color. Yeah, and that's it for lesson number 4. Lesson number 5, we are going to talk about finger numbers, and we will actually start using all of our fingers. So far I've been using just a pointer during every lesson, but we will start using our thumb and learn about the finger numbers. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in lesson number 5.